Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಹಣ ಇಲ್ಲ. How was the movie? How was the movie? ಮೂವಿ ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? I came with my family. I came with my family. ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರ ಜೊತೆ ಬಂದೆನು. How much altogether? How much altogether? ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಒಟ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು? How do you know? How do you know? ನಿನಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು? He is very hard worker. He is very hard worker. ಅವನು ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವವನು. He likes it very much. He likes it very much. ಇದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. He called last night. He called last night. ಅವನು ನನಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ. He has two sisters. He has two sisters. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸಹೋದರಿಯರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Her children are everything to her. Her children are everything to her. ಅವಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅವಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ. How are your parents? How are your parents? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೋಷಕರು ಹೇಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ? How many people are there? How many people are there? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? Have you seen Ravi? Have you seen Ravi? ನೀನು ರವಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀಯಾ? Have some more coffee. Have some more coffee. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಫಿ ತಗೋ. From here to there. From here to there. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. All my friends agree. All my friends agree. ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಒಪ್ಪಿದರು. Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet? ಆದರೂ ನೀನು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ? Give me that clean plate. Give me that clean plate. ನನಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಆದ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಡಿ. About 100 kilometers. About 100 kilometers. ಸುಮಾರು 100 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್. For how many days? For how many days? ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳವರೆಗೆ? Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.